What's up, guys? It's your boy, Justin, back at it with some Enigmatica 2 normal mode. Flashlight. Oh, yeah. And I am standing in my hemp field. It's not a lot, just a little bit, because we are going to need some hemp. We have a little bit. I'm not sure exactly how much we're going to need to make the fabric, but the fabric will be needed for like the covered fan blades for the windmill, and also the covered wires, so that way we don't electrocute ourselves once we get some of these machines made. And now that I think about it, we're probably going to need some more. So let's just plant some real quick. Plant some more. I was trying to keep it with where the worms are. But this stuff will just grow. Oh, I forgot I got wormies back here. So let's just throw some more back here. Why not? Let's just plant a whole nother row. Because we will need it, believe it or not. Industrial, not industrial fork. Wrong mod, Justin, wrong mod. But immersive. Immersive requires a lot of stuff. A lot of hemp. So we'll let that go while we pop down here. Actually, no, let me show you guys. I did do a little bit of an AFK session to let this run a little bit, but just to show you how horrifically slow this thing is. And we've only burned through 5 blocks. I have 25 buckets of creosote oil. Yeah, rip. But it's alright. I set up a redstone furnace that makes the creosote oil a bazillion times faster. So yeah, we got a tank right there, creosote oil. We got 16 buckets in it, and the redstone furnace is backed up, so we have an extra 10. And I can just go in there and throw in a stack of wood, and it'll make it post haste. So we really won't have to worry about the coal coke oven, because we're not really going to use it. But shh, don't tell nobody. Alright, so what we need to get is this guy. Because before I do these, I want to have the metal press up and running for the wires, just so we can automate that. Because truly, I mean, we could use the engineer snips or whatever, the shears, and make wires that way. But if I can automate it, I would prefer to do that. So let us get started and make the engineer's bench. So for that, we're going to need some treated wood planks and treated wood fence. We have some treated wood planks already. I have that auto crafted. So what we need to teach it is how to make these guys a treated wood fence. So let us... Oh, no. Things are moving around. It's the uranium. So I think we should be golden. Like, I don't need to make that. Let's get a crafting table. Because you only really have to make one of these. Bing-a-bing! And we're going to put this guy right here. So first, let us see what we got. Supreme Pizza. Oh. And apparently, we already made the blueprint. Don't recall doing that. Oh, no. Hang glider. Too bad we don't need it. Where'd I get sulfur from? Ah, well. Okay, so what we need to make next, and immersive, this guy. So we need steel plates and the wire cutters, but we need the engineer's blueprint. And we need the one for this one, which, if you gotta make sure you're picking the right one, because each of these change. Now let's do this one, the wires. So I need paper, paper, and what was the other thing? Immersive, need a steel plate. It's easy to craft. And then this will allow us to make that. So I know we're going to need several more. So what we can do is we come over here and put this in here. And then it'll tell us we need 5 steel plates and the wire cutters. So we got those. We need the wire cutters. So now we come over, back over to here and go bloop, 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 bloop. And we need the wire. That is the one. Oh, they want us to make them all. Okay. I'm down. We're probably gonna need some more of these, so let's just get those a crafting. So it wants us to make all of them. So let's make the plate mold, right? And then the gear, and then the rod. The gear, and then the rod. Bing-a-bing! Let's see what we got. Factory block cables. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay, so now, truthfully, I don't need those. I just needed the mold for the wires. So now, we can come down here, put this guy on here, go bloop. And then now we can set the pattern for this guy, and then now we will have the easiest way to make wires. So we can come over here and say copper. So we need 1 copper equals 2 wires. So we have copper, electrum, aluminum, and steel. So copper, electrum, aluminum, and then steel. Because we might as well make them all, because we're going to need them eventually for the different cables, for the different wires. So you just put that on there, and then watch it go blimp. Make the wire, come over here, and suck it right up. So we go that guy, that one, and that one. Alright, so now we can go set the pattern, and then come back and set it, and then we're golden, guys. We have all of the wires automated. Eat some cake, because everybody loves cake. I should have grabbed 2 of these. Steel. Aluminum. Let's get the wires. I didn't. Steel. Electrum. And the good thing with this is, like, 1 ingot makes 2 wires. So that's why we're doing it this way. Because it's a lot less resource intensive. So we got that. We got that. We got that. And last but not least, the copper. So now we'll come down, because I don't know if it's going to show up as the metal press, but we can go bink, 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 and bink. So now we can come down here and say, copper wires, give me 10 of those. Oh, no, 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 no. I need to take that pattern out, because we don't want to make it that way. That was what I was doing previously. Less resource. So wire. Where is that? So now, let's go back so we can see it work. Because I like watching it work. I'm a fan of automation. That's why I love modded Minecraft. So now, see? Watch it bloop. Bloop. That is so cool. That's just too neat. I should do it 5 times, because like I said, each one makes 2. There we go. Yeah! And we got our 10 wires. That is too neat, guys. So we got us a blank pattern. So now we can come back and make the HV cable, the HV capacitors. Because now we can properly set up the recipes. So let's go LV. See, we got the LV wire coils, because that's what we were using earlier for the other deals. So LV capacitor. Ooh, need to do that. MV capacitor and HV capacitor. So we got those. You know, we might as well teach it these as well. Because we're gonna use them eventually. So MV cables, wire relay. This one, I don't think I did the HV. Yeah, I didn't do this one. Oh, insulating glass. Ooh, okay. So we will have to do that one later. So we'll do this guy and... Oh, I'm out of patterns. This guy. Put you in there. Let's get us 100 more going. Okay, so now let's drop these guys in here. Because once we get the immersive machine set up, I'm going to use them just because. MV, just want to make sure it doesn't use the other one. Oh, see, it's that redstone. I'm telling you guys, I keep saying I'm gonna do it, and then I don't. I'm going to remove those damn compacting drawers. They're the bane of my existence. Oh, it wants us to make each of those as well. Okay. So good thing that's what we did already. So let's just plot these down here for now. And then, so let's go LV. Make us one of you. Make us one of you. Make us one of you. So blop, blop, blop. So there's LV. MV. Let's make one of you. One of you. And one of you. That one might take a minute, because we didn't make the extra cable, the wires. Yeah, see, it's making it. There we go. There's MV. And then we will have to learn the... Let's start you. Oh, that was quick. Okay, so how do I make... Oh, okay, so that's not too difficult of a recipe, actually. So let's put you there. Oh, now I can teach you that recipe. And put you there. And say, make me one of you. Might be a little slow because of the glass. HV. So there we go. Claim. Claim. And claim. So let's see what we've got. Tesla coil. Diamond shield. Don't need that. And ham and pickle sandwich. We have already eaten a pickle sandwich. Do I have... Did I make a hammer? I don't have an engineer's hammer. Okay, there we go. So, one thing that's really cool with these capacitors, if you don't know, guys, is with the hammer, you left click, and that is power in, power out. But say you want to get the other side, this side, and say there's a block there. And you're like, how am I going to get that? If you shift, left click, look at there. And if you want to be power out, shift left click again. I mean shift right click, and boom. So shift right click, and then now it is away. So you can do that. So with like the tops and the bottoms. So it's really, really neat, if you ask me. I like that, this part, because sometimes you place the block and you're like, oh wait, shoot, I need to get the other side to set it up to take in or push out power, and you don't have to break it and redo it. So GG with Immersive on that. So now we need to make the kinetic dynamo. So let's look at that kinetic dynamo. This is what we connect up the windmill to. General Cho's chicken already ate it. So then now we need to set up the water wheel and the windmill. So the water wheel segment. Oh, I don't know. I never set up how to make treated sticks. Treated stick. Solve that problem. Yeah, put you right there. Sure. So then, no. Water wheel segment. We're not going to set up the water wheel. I'm not a fan of it. It is not worth the effort for the power, if you ask my opinion. But we will make it because of the quest. The quest requires it, so we will make it. But what we will make is the windmill. This guy. Windmill blades. Tough fabric. This is where we need and why we need the hemp. Because then you can make a windmill sail. And then you can add that to the windmill itself. So let's make us a windmill. And do we have enough? No, see, that's why we need the hemp fiber, guys. Let's go see how our hemp farm is doing. Maybe we have enough that we could harvest some and make this. Wait. Oh, sorry, butterfly. And that's what's great about the hemp is you can just break the top and you get the hemp fiber and it still will continue to grow. You don't have to replant it. Oh, dudes, we actually might have gotten enough. I think we... Oh, wait, no, we needed like 300. That's right. We didn't get 300. Let's see. Because we needed 8. Yeah, we're 238 away. We're a little shy, my guys. But let's go ahead and build this windmill. Let us make it out of some scaffolding, maybe? Like steel scaffolding. That should be in. Oh, shoot. I gotta craft some more steel. Steel scaffolding. Really, it takes that long to make the steel? I guess so. 18 should be alright. You know, because this is going to be my immersive area here. Let's make the windmill here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seems good enough. And then put the windmill there. And see, there it goes. It is starting to generate power. And when we get more hemp and we add the windmill sails, it will create even more power. We don't need any wire relays because we're just going to run this straight down. No. Oh, I left my capacitors in the base. I was like, I know I got them in here. Well, actually, I'm going to need another one. And truly, that doesn't cost a lot to make. And that way I don't have to run back to the base. Because these will hold, I think, like 1,000,000 FE, if I'm mistaken. So this is going to be power in. So we're going to put you there. Then we will come up here. Oh, you know, let's just get some building blocks. Just make it easy on ourselves. Come up here. Okay, so put you there. You there. You're going to be power in. Nope. Power in. So we'll go bloop, bloop. And you see now, oh, that holds 4 million. So see, it's slowly making us some power. So now what we'll do is we'll go down 1 and we don't have to shift click. We want this to be out. And we'll go from you to you. So now that's going to take the power from there and bring it down to here. So now this will be storing power as well. So now we have two things storing the FE for us. And the FE is the forged energy. Let's eat the pizza. Because you can't go wrong with pizza. If you follow me on Twitch, selfless plug, go check me out. We talk about pizza a lot in my streams because I eat pizza like way too often. It's my favorite food group. So there, guys, we got this. So we are moving ever so quickly. Charger, we already got that. We're moving ever so quickly, guys, through the immersive quest line. But it's not having us make any of the machines, which is strange. But don't sweat it. We are still going to make every machine. We're going to make the excavator. We're going to make the boiler, the press. We're making it all just because I want to do that. I did that in my Chromatech world. Again, selfless plug. Check me out on Twitch. I'm streaming that on Twitch. But I enjoyed it. So let us craft iron mechanical component. We don't have that taught. We could probably get the check mark because it just wants us to make the blocks. It doesn't want us to make the machine. So we could probably, let's finish up the quest line. And then next week, we will actually start making the machines. So it's light, heavy, generator, and radiator. The generator block. and the radiator block. Both of those are for the diesel generator. Oh, you're making more of those. Okay. Okay. And the radiator block are for my friends and family up north. The radiator block. It just depends on what part of the US you're in. And there we go. Let's claim these quests. And now it wants us to make the projector. Measuring tape. Oh, lapidary calibration. Deep dark portal. Too bad we've already been there. Axe of the Wyvern. No way. We haven't even got into Draconic yet. And we got the Axe of the Wyvern. We'll have to check that out, guys, later. So the projector. Let's just... Or can we make this? Nah, let's craft it. We can auto-craft it. And then we will get our check mark, guys. And then next week video, we can start making the stuff. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this one gives us a choice reward? Really? Mycelium. That might come in handy later. You never know. Okay, so preview to next week. So what is cool about this projector and the book, guys, if you don't know this, because I didn't know this till my friend District told me when I was making these machines in my Chromatech world. Again, selfless plug. Check me out on Twitch. I stream Saturdays at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Where did my engineer's book go? I just had the book. Engineer's book. Okay. So say first machine say that we want to make is we're gonna make, well, we need the press first. Heavy machine. So not the press, the squeezer. So you come to the page that you want and then combine these two, and then now look, it will show you how to make the squeezer. And if you middle click, it turns it around. Or if you shift middle click, it flips it, mirrors it. So pretty freaking cool, if you ask me, guys. But that's where we're gonna end it, because I've babbled long enough, and we got the check mark for immersive. So if we come over here, we can see we got the check mark. But we're not done, guys. We're gonna build the machines. We're gonna make all the stuff and the things, because that's what you do in modded Minecraft. You follow the quests, and if there's not enough quests, you can make more stuff for yourself to do. So that's what we're gonna do. So join us next week when we start making the immersive engineering machines, because they were just cool with the multi-block structures. But anyways, guys, again, selfless plug. Check me out on Twitch. I stream Saturdays at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with some of my friends. We're playing a pack called Chromatech. So check us out. And as always, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.